On Wednesday, the All India Pass and Solidarity Organization, including the leftist party of the state, marched in strong protest against Israel's attack on Palestine. At the end of the procession, a meeting was held at Orient Chomoni. Former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar, CPIM State Secretary Jitendra Chaudhary, CITU Secretary Shankar Prasad Datta, and CITU President Manik De and others took part in the procession.
Yesterday people, they are waging the freedom struggle for last couple of decades, and they are the Jews in the name of the Zionism. They forcibly occupied the Palestinians' land, and now from last week, there the indiscriminate bombardment, killing of the innocent children, women, even the hospitals and schools also not spared, and that is being done under the aegis of the US imperialism. And there, unfortunately, our government of India, since the independence and before that, the stand of the government of India is in favor of the Palestinians, their independence. But it recently held the Council of the United Nations. There, one resolution was moved by the Jordan to stop this aggression, to stop this attack, bombardment upon the Gaza, the Palestinians, and on humanitarian ground to ensure the supply of all human needs. But there, under the aegis of the US, government of India, they remain abstained. But of course, the resolution was passed by the majority vote. So this is very shocking that our government under the leadership of the BJP, Narendra Modi, now they are backing this killer Israel and backing the ploy of the US imperialists. So against this mob today, the different mass organizations, the Kishans, our workers and other people, they arranged this rally today that government of India, they should move against this ploy of the US imperialists against the Israel, and to stop this aggression, to stop this attack, the genocide against the innocent people in Israel.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.